I was just gifted this phone tripod and we're going to set it up and see how it looks. So taking it out of the box, it looks like we have a light, phone mount, and the tripod. And it also has a user manual down here. So to open the stand, you just pull these legs apart. Like that. This is the phone mount here. And on the top, this piece comes out and you can attach your light. The light has multiple different settings. I'll shine it on myself so you can see the difference. And it charges with a USB-C. So we can just slide this into here. So now the light is above the phone, and this piece extends just by pulling it up. So I just put it on the ground. I am 5'3". This is the top of the phone mount. It's crazy tall, especially for how compact it is. Your phone gets mounted in here, so it's nice and snug. This can rotate in any direction that you like. This also turns to the side, so you can shoot sideways or vertically. And it also comes with this tiny remote that connects to your phone via Bluetooth, so you can just push the button and it will start recording or take a picture or whatever you have your phone set to do. And a little on-off switch here. And then to put it all back together, you just slide it back down and close the legs. The legs click together, the top connects in, and your remote attaches right to the front so you don't lose it. So you get that whole tripod in this compact shell. I absolutely love that. This is going to come so handy, especially with the light. Thank you so much to the brand for sending this to me so that I could share it with you.